So, you want to know how to be kawaii? I only have 3 rules for you. 1 is to put something on. 2 is to say that you are kawaii. And 3, that's it, you're done. That is it. Step 3 is done. Congratulations, you are now kawaii. Hi everybody, my name is Jemma and today we are going to talk about how to be kawaii, specifically with a shaved head. Whenever you think of somebody that's into kawaii or J fashion, I always imagine a girl with like her straight across bangs and like a short bob haircut, or straight across bangs and long hair. When people think of like kawaii boy fashion, it's almost always somebody with like anime boy hair. Like it's anime hair, like short and layered and like swoopy and anime boy hair. You rarely ever think of somebody with like a rockin' shaved head. I've actually had a lot of my followers go ahead and shave their heads after seeing my shaving my head video, and I actually have been receiving a ton of questions like this. Some people have come to me feeling uncomfortable wearing hyper feminine clothing because they have a shaved head and it's like weird for them. So I thought today that I would make a video and talk about how to be hyper feminine or be kawaii or pastel or cutesy while not having those stereotypical kawaii hairstyles. If you aren't already, please go follow this channel. Look down, see if you're subscribed. I have 2 channels, so go ahead and subscribe to them both. And yeah, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And I also have Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Snapchat, the list goes on and on. But all of those links are gonna be down in the description. But yeah, let's get on with the conversation, I guess. There really is no right or wrong way to do any sort of fashion. Fashion has no rules. There are no rules. Wear what you want to wear and screw everybody else who says that that doesn't fit the style or you're doing it wrong, because you're not. As long as you're wearing something that makes you happy, makes you feel good, you're doing it right. Like, do the thing. That thing that you're doing, do it. It's sort of weird having like a lot of cutesy stuff going on over here and then like it like stops. You know what I mean? So while I do think fashion has no rules, I do understand that it's sort of kind of a contrast to have like a shaved head and to have super cutesy clothing. I recognize that it is like a little bit of a contrast. Like, it doesn't have to be, but personally it does seem a little bit contrasting. I have a few tips on how I like to style my clothes now and accessorize in ways that kind of pulls the look together in a way that doesn't rely on hair. So personally, I like to almost over-accessorize. I don't know if it's really over-accessorizing or just compensating for the lack of detail going around your face with like hair or hair bows and hair ties and things like that. Put in a little hair bow. Can't do that anymore. And I mean, you can definitely try headpieces, but personally, I don't know, it's kind of weird to have a huge bow on top of your head and like having nothing else. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. So I almost like to compensate more accessories in this region just to tie the whole coordinate and look together. Personally, I use 3 main things to go and accessorize to kind of pull the look together towards my face while not having hair. Those are chokers, earrings, and makeup. And hats sometimes, like some hats. Chokers are one of my favorite things to accessorize with. I love chokers because they just bring the detail right near your face. Hair here would provide that detail, but since we got no hair, chokers just bring in that one little detail that you're trying to bring out and just brings it right towards your face, really completing the full look. I have so many chokers. I have lace ones, I have furry ones, I have leather ones, pleather ones. I have all different kinds of styles and all different kind of colors, so that if you have one element in your coordinate that you want to stand out and you want to tie up that sort of element towards your face, a choker is a really good way to go. Another way that I like to pull the look back in towards my face, earrings. Earrings are a huge thing. Because you have no hair, your ears are on display, and it makes expressing yourself with earrings so much more like out there because it's here, it's out there. Gold ones, get yourself some silver ones, get yourself some white ones, red ones, short hair and earrings. It's just so cute. It's a great way to accessorize and tie in your look. Now, third is makeup. Makeup is a really good way to get creative. If you have a heart detail going on in your coordinate, you can draw hearts on your cheeks and it will like pull the look together. lipstick, say you're wearing like a baby blue dress or something, wear baby blue lipstick or use baby blue liquid lipstick as your eyeliner. Maybe you have a lot of white details going on. Paint on some white freckles. Maybe have red. Paint on some red freckles, some red lips, some red eyeliner. Use your face as the canvas instead of your hair. And I guarantee you it's gonna make your look super cute and really pulled together and just super fun. Now the fourth thing is hats. And I say some hats because personally I never really ever loved hats on myself to begin with. My favorites, which look the best on me in my opinion, are beanies and some berets. Like I think that berets would be really cute with like a nice like Lolita dress or something. Beanies and berets are my favorite, but I'm sure there are endless kinds of cute hats that would look cute with a buzz cut. Personally, I haven't dove into the hat world too much because I never really ever wore them until I shaved my head, and then I stepped outside and it was way too cold and I was like, my ears are gonna freeze off. Now personally I'm more well versed in the sort of cutesy pastel side of the kawaii fashion, but there are so many ways that you can pull into the more vivid like Harajuku rainbow style kawaii fashion as well. Personally, what I think looks best with a shaved head are clothing that is a little bit more simple. Because a shaved head is so clean cut, so simple, so minimalistic, I also like to reflect that same style in my clothing as well. So lately I haven't been wearing nearly as much over the top sweet Lolita or over the top like Yaru prints. If I'm gonna wear something that has a very loud print, I'm gonna offset it. If I have a staple skirt and it's like super sweet and cutesy, then I will offset it with a more simple top, so I can tie in gradually the simplicity of my buzz cut with a simple top with maybe like a little detail, and then moving on into the skirt and then keeping the rest of the outfit sort of minimal and simple as well. But that is just what I do. Personally, my favorite looks with a buzz cut in the kawaii fashion world is Victorian style clothing. Things with lace and it looks sort of vintage, Victorian. I love gunny sacks dresses. I love wearing nighties and like silk dresses with like a little short sleeve underneath or something like that. Something that is still simple but very feminine and lacy and pastel and pretty. And I think the combination of the two really complement each other. I think my favorite for like androgynous and masculine styles that are kawaii are like pastel polo tees. You can find these at the thrift store and they are adorable. I love them so much. And then you can wear some pastel trousers or cute blue jeans, high-waisted, and then some cute pastel Converse or vintage Adidas. That'd be adorable, like my heart. And if you're more into like vivid colors, you can find rainbow polos or rainbow sweaters. If pants aren't really your things, like skirts and dresses can definitely be androgynous and masculine as well. Like again, there are no rules to fashion, and I just want you to wear what makes you feel happy. Now for hair color in the pastel sort of kawaii world, you can leave it natural. It would look good. Black, in my opinion, brown, blonde. You can even dye it if you want. You can bleach it blonde. You can dye it pastel colors, or you can do strawberry blonde. I think that would be really pretty. And the cool thing with dyeing a buzz cut is that if you don't love the color, in like 2 to 4 weeks, it's probably already grown out and you just buzz it again and there you go. Now for the more vivid kawaii style, like I was describing before, like Harajuku, Decora, I think what would be really cool to do with a buzz cut is dye it purple, pink, blue, green. You can even like dye certain sections of the hair and do like pink here, blue here, green here. I think that would be so cool and so fun. I think a buzz cut really suits that style. I think it's edgy. Another cool thing that you can do is cutouts. Do patterns in your hair. Do hearts here. Do lines. Do stars. I think that would be so cool, and especially if like the different sections have different colors, like you have a heart here and it's pink and the rest is like blue or something. I think that would be so cool and really awesome to get creative about. Put stickers on your hair. Like how fun would that be? Is like not just stickers on your face, but like stickers all up in your hair. You might need some eyelash glue, but I think the end result would be so cool. If all else fails, if you have an adorable coordinate and you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you've done all these things and you're like, I'm just not feeling my buzz cut today, then hey, there are always wigs. And because you have short hair, that means less need for wig caps. Woo! Not gonna have a migraine today. Not today, Satan. But at the end of the day, I really want you to just not care what other people think and to do what you want to do and wear what you want to wear. If you want to have a shaved head, go ahead and have a shaved head. There's no need for you to like edge up your look just because people think that a shaved head on a female is alternative. I'm sorry, it's just a shaved head. I don't want you to feel pressure to look a certain way or to dress a certain way because of how people perceive you or what people are telling you. I want you to do what makes you happy and wear what makes you feel amazing, what makes you feel like royalty. I want you to do what makes you happy. I want you to wear what makes you happy. And there are no rules in life. It's just to be kind to others. Like that is the only rule. And hey, if you don't agree with my opinions of what I think is really cute with a buzz cut, then screw me. Do whatever you want to do. At the end of the day, I want you to be happy. And if looking a certain way or not looking a certain way makes you happy, then I want you to do that. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching today. I do want to let you know that I do have 2 YouTube channels, so please go subscribe to both. I have Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Snapchat, Depop, you know, yeah, things like that. All of those links are going to be down in the description, so please check them out if you want to see more content from me more often. Anyway, I hope that you have an amazing day, and I hope that you keep smiling, and I will see you in my newest content. Bye!